Okay guys, welcome back to a brand new video of Airsoft. So I'm going to keep this intro short and sweet because this game mode is short and sweet. Basically the objective of this game is to find the bomb within the vicinity of the CQB area. Press a button on the bomb timer. Once you press that button, a timer will start on the bomb, and the team with the most time at the end will win the game. So for example, when we get to the briefcase, we will press the black button and say we had it for 4 minutes, and then the red team managed to press their button, then the timer would switch over to the red, and then it will start counting the time on theirs. So as you saw there, I did manage to get the bomb within the first 20 seconds or 10 seconds of the game, and we'll see how the game plays out. I'm going to try not to speak as much for this video, so just enjoy.
Button's been hit. Yeah. Button's been hit.
Our team still holds the objective.
Hit. We've still got bomb. Yeah, there's one there.
Trying to keep that door coming there.
Okay, so what we're doing at the minute is just trying to hold off in this room at the side of the bomb, because we do still have the timer on the bomb. So if we can hold out to the end of the game, then we should be able to win.
Yeah, why not?
Go and check it.
1 minute left.
I think we've won.
Okay, so pretty much we held the objective through basically the full game. The other team didn't touch it once. There is a few more CQB videos coming along, guys, because we did play a few more games after playing this one. So please let me know in the comment section below what you think of the CQB, because if you enjoy the CQB more than the normal games, then I'll be sure to do more CQB. But I'm going to do both anyway, for people who like CQB and people who like normal games. But please give feedback on how this video went, because I did really enjoy playing at this CQB area. It was the first run of the entire thing. It's brand new CQB field. So if you've never been to Fearmasters before, it's in West Yorkshire in the United Kingdom. Be sure to go play there. It's a great field, and that's about it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I appreciate every single person who's watching this video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed. Please leave a comment in the section below, because I love getting feedback, whether it's bad feedback or good feedback. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.